Hey YouTube, it's crazy out here today. I'm talking about snow. I don't think you guys can see that snow though, man. Let me show y'all how high it is though. Let this car warm up. It's cold, man. Let me show y'all this snow. It's snow out here, man. That's big snow. Look how tall it is up on the car. Them 24-inch wheels, you can't even see it. That's where it started at. Look, it goes all the way up there. That's snow. It's snow, YouTube. I'm talking about. Look at my van. I gotta move this month. I gotta undig all this out. That's how much snow we got. That's fresh snow. That's over 2 feet right there. Over 2 feet. Look at that, 24-inch rims, you can't even see them. Look how high it is over the car. This came out of nowhere. Ugh. Yeah, alright. Winter time. Ain't no more shovels, ain't that something? Every last one of them gone. Let me see. Every last one of them gone. That is crazy. Somebody out getting some money this year. Come on, son. Man, that's crazy. That's the only shovel they got. It's a whole lot of snow out here. Hey, look, everybody walking out there without no shovel, look. They walking in, think they finna get a shovel. You can get anything except a shovel today. Anything except a shovel, man. That's crazy. No snow shovel. The shovel people got paid this year. My lens is foggy. Look at that. Minaj got
Somebody shovel us though?
Yeah, I think so. I might. Y'all check this out, YouTube. This is crazy. Y'all see that? This is my garage, man. Let's go outside. Look how deep this shit is. Look, this how deep it is. This the shovel. Look at this, man. We bought this house 10 years ago. And they used to do this, but they ain't never do it this long. They just stopped like right there. And I thought that was normal. But look at this. What this come from? What this much? I know a little bit because the gutters might have been dirty, but I mean full. But damn, it's crazy, YouTube. Look how high this snow is. This snow came out of nowhere. It is not supposed to snow like this. But we didn't get no snow in some years. We didn't get no snow like this in like some years, man. Some years. So I gotta do some shoveling real quick, y'all. Monday morning, man. It snowed 3 days straight, man. 4 days straight. From Friday to Sunday. Well, 3 days, yeah, 3 days. So let me start cleaning this up. That's where we just been walking through it. The dog did most of that going and take a piss and shit. So I'll catch y'all on the next one. Iceberg Slim. Look at that, man. And this on the inside. Basketball arena. It's crazy. This how much I did so far. That one shovel. Look at how this shit is, though. I gotta clean all this off. Gotta bag my van up out there. I gotta take it to the shop. It need a water pump on the van, man. I gotta take it to the shop. That's another $200-300, but I have to clean all this up. Man, the shovel we had the first time broke. So yeah, we gotta find out what's all this ice, man. I think it's because the gutters ain't clean. We got all these trees around here. There's trees everywhere, man. So even when you clean the gutters, they still be falling over the time. Somebody give me some of them gutter guards. I'm gonna get warm, man. I ain't nothing but this sweater on. It's cold. Man, is that water? Oh my God, man. Man, now y'all know I just got this fixed with all new copper pipes. Damn, my shit done got wet. Oh man, it's all in here. How long this? Y'all remember it's in the inside the wall. Y'all know I just got these copper pipes fixed. Man, I got shit everywhere, man. I gotta hurry up and get that shop open, get all this stuff about it. I got car parts everywhere. All these parts for cars I gotta put on, man. I get this shop open, man. Cause look at that shit, man. Okay, that's another problem. Shit, it got all wet. It's got all over here. How long it's been leaking? Only went outside and shoveled that snow for like 30 minutes. Let me go cut the water off, man. I'll cut the main water off. See what's up with this now, YouTube. I'll catch y'all next one, man. This is finna go crazy.